At kung ako may bitter surprise para sa aking bisita, ang food explorer namang si Caitlyn Stave ng My Guardian Alien may sweet na idea para sa mga gustong i-date sa isang food trip ang kanilang mga mahal na ina ngayong Mother's Day.
Food Explorers, sino sa inyo ang mama's boy or mama's girl? Here, if you're looking for the perfect place to go dine with your mom, I definitely recommend Liwanag Cafe. So in front of me, I have the dishes that are from this special section, Luto Ni Ina, and these are dishes that are actually recipes from Nanay Wilma, who is the mother of the owner of this restaurant. So I'm really, really excited kasi some of these dishes are actually my personal favorites. So let's dig in.
This restaurant is really dedicated for my mother because it was a gift. It's a gift for her na, it's a hard work of a mother. The reason why kaya nandito ako yun is because of my mother. And then I just remember nung bata pa ako, yung mga luto niya, palagi kong inaaral, lagi niya tinuturo sa akin. And hanggang ngayon bit-bit ko, kaya dinala ko dito ngayon sa restaurant. Hindi ko makakalimutan talaga na unang tinuro sa akin ng nanay ko is yung pork adobo namin. Kasi number one, ayun yung unang pinakamadaling lutuin eh. And number two, paborito ko siya.
So this is the adobo. It's actually twice cooked. And as you can see, ito yung, what's it called? Yung adobo na may like oil. Wow. That's really good. It's really like full of flavor. I don't think I've had an adobo that's like as packed with flavor as this one.
Siyempre, sobra siya naging happy kasi nilabas namin yung isang section ng menu ng Liwanag Cafe which is dedicated para sa kanya. Most of them is talagang original recipe niya and most of our customers talaga na-enjoy yun.
So I've already prepared the bulalo for me. This is my favorite, so I'm so excited. So, It's really, really good. The flavor naman is not too strong, which I like, and the meat is cooked perfectly. So, eto naman yung sizzling mushroom nila. And fun fact, GMA Cavite is actually the mushroom capital of the Philippines. And here in Cavite, they also have the Caboteño Festival. Okay guys, sa totoo, hindi ako mahilig sa mushroom. But I'll give it a try. Okay. Wow. I like the sauce. As you can see with this one, usually kasi the tofu is fried. But with this one, it's steamed. It's really perfectly cooked. It's not cooked too much, so it's really good. So it's been a while actually since I've had kare-kare, so I'm super excited to try it today. So it's really different from what I'm used to. Wow. Okay, I really miss kare-kare pala.
Dito ma-feel nyo yung appreciation para sa nanay natin because madalas napapansin lang natin yung sermon ni nanay. Hindi natin nakita yung mga pag-aalala, pagmamahal, yung hard work at pag-aalaga niya. No? So dito, we really want to feel ng mga nanay na special sila. May kita pa kayo sa mga tables namin na words for mother so that they will just really feel really appreciated.
If you dine here with your moms, you can get a free tote bag and a free drink. I really love how this restaurant, Liwanag Cafe, values the importance of mothers because my mom in my life, she's very hardworking and she also cooks delicious food. Tsaka nakaka-relate talaga kasi yun din yung kwento sa show ko, which is My Guardian Alien weeknights on GMA at 8:50 p.m. pagkatapos ng Black Rider.